So I've got this 2005 Scion XA, and I've got this problem. Now, if you're like me, that drives you nuts. Turn your lights on, and only half the dials illuminate. Now, the likely problem of that is you've got two bulbs in here. One of those bulbs is probably burned out. Today, I'll show you what bulb you need and how to replace it. To replace this bulb, you're going to need, first of all, the bulb. That's what the bulb looks like. It's a 1.8 watt. Has a yellow cover on the top of it here. That's what gives the light the amber color. There's the bottom. That looks like a slotted screwdriver spot. You'll need a pretty thin screwdriver to get this one out. That is part number 90010-01082. That was probably the longest part of this whole project, was figuring out what number that was. So I'll go ahead and put that in the video description. I found this from a place called Smart Toyota Parts. You're also going to need a Flathead Screwdriver, a Phillips Screwdriver, and something flat that you can use to wedge off these panels. So start by wedging off the panels. Just slip on under. They should just pop out. Next, pop the dials off. And you probably don't have to do that center one, but I like to just for fun. There are two screws, one here, one here. Take those out. And two more screws, one right here and on the opposite side. After that, you should be able to pull this whole face out. You might have to use your wedge tool. Slowly pull this out, and there might be some wires that are caught up back the back side of this. Okay, here's the back side of where the lights plug in. You'll see right here, it looks like you can just fit a slotted screwdriver in there. So you just go ahead and give it about a quarter turn and turn this over to pop it out. On the other side here, I've already removed that one because that was the bad one. And there it is, much better.